Used to like bitches with hair perm, now I like it natural, actual, factual, naps and shit. Boop.
Hey guys, it's Ruth Nanda here, coming to you with how to 3-strand twist. I did start on the back half of my head. I am doing them chunky for the first time ever, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm using the Texture ID products, and I'm going to detangle my hair. My hair is semi already still wet, so I am going to be using my Eco Styler and my Black Jamaican Castor Oil as well. So guys, this is the first time I'm actually doing chunky twists. I've never done this before. I see everybody do it, so we're going to try it today, and I'll let you guys see how it came out. But first thing I'm going to do is to spray my hair with the Texture ID leave-in spray. All the products will be listed in the description box so that you guys can purchase it if you would like to purchase it. Whenever I'm done spraying it on my hair, I am going to rub that all the way in and then add my curling cream to my hair as well, and then detangle so that the product is worked all the way through on my hair. So whenever I'm done detangling, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Black Jamaican Castor Oil. I put it on my roots as well as apply it to my hair so that my hair is moisturized. You guys seen my moisturized video. Yeah, you know I use the LCO method. So I'm just going to go ahead and section this off and do it in two twists on this side of my head. I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm doing chunky twists. I've seen a lot of people do it on YouTube and their twist came out really defined, but we're gonna try it with my particular type of hair. So let's get into it. First, we're going to be definitely sectioning our hair into 3 sections so that we have our 3 strands. So now we have our 3 strands. Just make sure you're able to get the flick of the wrist, you know what I'm saying? I was here trying to get my hands together, but I am going to take the back half, which is the back piece, okay guys, and cross it over the 2 pieces, okay? I brought the back piece to the front. I swap hands by making sure I keep all the pieces aligned, okay? And then I go ahead and took the middle piece, pretty much the one that was now on the back, and cross it over all 3 pieces. All 2 pieces. So let me say that again. I take the back piece, cross it over the 2 pieces that's in the front, and take the back piece, cross it over the 2 pieces, and do it again. Take the back piece, cross it over the 2 pieces, back piece over the 2, and I keep doing it, but it's just pretty much the flick of the wrist, the way you rotate your hands. It is like, it's not hard to explain, but it definitely is hard for you to twist without ending up braiding your hair. You'll see me stop a minute, like pause for a minute, just because I just don't want to mess up and start braiding. But definitely pay attention to what you're doing. Even if you have to go slow, just pay attention, because you can end up braiding your hair. So I'm definitely going to show you again, so keep watching. yes, so that is the braid, and we're just gonna do the other section so that you guys can see one more time how to do it. It is very confusing if you just don't pay attention to what you're doing. And like I said, you can start braiding your hair and not pay no mind until the end. So take your time. So we're going to start with the back piece and bring it across the 2 pieces. And then you swap the hair into the other hand. And then you take the back piece and you flip it over the other 2 strands. And then you swap hands, take the back piece, flip it over the 2 strands. And then you flip your hands and do it again. So I hope, like I said, I hope it's not hard to understand, but once you get it, just take your time. Don't rush it. It's not a quick 2-strand twist. It's 3 strands, so it will really mess you up if you do not pay attention or take your time. Well guys, so this is how my twist looks, and I'm finishing up my last twist on the opposite side, taking all the excess lotion out of it, but that is also well defined. What I want to do is slick my edges down with my edge control, you know how I do it, and then tie my head down for the next day. So keep watching. So now it's the next day in the morning, and I'm taking my head tie down and everything like that. My hair was not completely dry, which I was really upset about, but I figured that since all other YouTubers are trying it chunky, let me try it chunky, but I should have known that that wasn't for me. So I did use some oil to help easily twist my hair so that I can create some definition and see where it breaks. As you guys can see eventually that it broke a little bit, but it's a lot of frizz because my hair was not even dried. Like, it's ridiculous. But yeah, I think this is a fail, but we're gonna try to figure it out. We're gonna try to figure out how we're gonna make this hair work, so just keep watching. So now that all the twists are done, this is how my hair looks, like really frizzy, a hot mess. So I figured that I will maybe get some gel, put it on the outer edges of my hair, and just twist this hair back and create something totally different, because this was a fail. I will never do a 3-strand twist chunky again. My hair does not work with that. It doesn't work. So I mean, you guys can try it and let me know what you think down below. Have you ever tried a 3-strand twist chunky, or have you done it on smaller to medium sections? Like, have you ever tried it at all? Because it's my first time trying it, and I think it was a fail. So, guys, keep watching. Until next time, kisses from me to you. Bye.